guys, welcome to the start of a new weekly. I don't think I've ever started a vlog looking like this before, with a face mask on and wet hair. It's Sunday morning and I'll show you what face mask I've used. Yeah, for this past week, whenever I wash my hair in the bath, I give myself a little bit of a face mask as well. My chin is broken out so bad because I've been eating a little bit of wheat and dairy and I don't know what one is causing it. I need to like strip back from both of them and then reintroduce them one at a time to like properly work out what is causing my skin to break out so much. But as a little bit of a treat to make myself feel better, I've been using this face mask. It's by the Inky List. I bought this myself from, I think it's Cult Beauty, and this is a kaolin clay mask. I saw someone online talking about this and said after one use their skin was like amazing. So I haven't noticed like that sort of effect, but I do like it. I feel like my skin's very soft, like apart from my chin, the rest of my skin's very nice. I've had this on for 10 minutes. I'm gonna wash it off now and then get dressed and ready for the day, and I can update you on some gossip. Sunday breakfast, Rice Krispies. I'm so bored of these. I'd love a nice cereal.
That must be a nice cereal you can have.
Gluten-free Cocoa Pops, but they tasted like cardboard. I really want some of those gluten-free honey hoops, but they've got honey on them. I need to drink more water today. Okay, so big life update. G and I are buying a house. Our first house. I'm so excited. Let me put you somewhere. Look at the behind of me. It's a mess. If you watched my vlogs last year, you would have seen that we started house hunting. We started viewing some places to potentially buy, and in December we found a house. We put an offer in. It got declined because there was another offer. Then the estate agent showed us another house and was like, no one's seen this new house yet, it's not even on the market, do you want to come see it first? We were like, yes. When we saw it, we fell in love. It was even better than the one we put the original offer in. We got it. So exciting. I've actually filmed a whole vlog from like the whole house hunting process to kind of getting the keys, which will hopefully be next week. So that will be coming up on my channel soon if you kind of want to see us going through the whole process and finding out what it's like to buy a house in London and how stressful it is. Stay tuned because I've got quite a lot of like house buying content coming up. It's all still up in the air, and I'm not gonna lie, I've been so stressed recently, which is probably why I'm also breaking out. I have just put some concealer on. I put some Bare Minerals Bare Pro concealer on my chin. I don't want to be staring at that in a camera screen all day, but yeah, it's been so stressful. We were supposed to exchange a couple of weeks ago and then complete and pick up the keys this coming Friday on March 26th, but we haven't exchanged yet, so we should be getting the keys in 6 days, but we still haven't exchanged contracts, so it could still all fall through. But we've started packing anyway because otherwise we'll have no time to do it, and hopefully if it isn't this Friday it will be the next. It's going to be a packing vlog. We've actually done quite a lot already. I took the day off on Friday and did loads of decluttering and packing, and then all day yesterday we were pretty much at it. We've got today. Oh, you bought me your mouse. This guy is like a dog. He has a mouse and he loves chasing it. Let me show you, and then he'll bring it back to me. There's nowhere to chuck it. Whoa. Good boy. Bring it here. Bring it here. Good boy. No, not there. Oh, I'll show you this room. It looks so unorganized, but it actually is. And also all of it, like all of that is empty boxes that I've just got ready to pack up, and those as well are empty. The only things I've really packed is this bit and a couple of boxes here and a couple of boxes here. Ah! What are you doing? Oh yeah, it looks really bad, but hopefully we won't be living along all of this for too long. And then in here, I packed up a lot of this yesterday, so we've just got a lot of boxes and empty bookshelves. I think this is going to be the packing vlog, and then coming after this will be the moving vlog. And then I'm also going to be filming a new house tour, and I've also filmed, before we started packing this place up, like a flat tour of this place. And then I've got that home, like London buying vlog coming as well, that I've been filming since probably November I started filming that. So I've got a lot of content coming up on this channel, which is very exciting. G just made me a little fruit salad. Got some grapes, kiwi, blueberries and orange. We emptied the cupboard in the living room, which was one of the biggest jobs we had to do, and we did it really quickly, so done that. I'm gonna sort out my bathroom now. If there's a box he has to get in it. I'm sorting out bathroom now, so I'm just getting everything out of these cupboards and saying goodbye to what I don't want and packing what I've been using recently. Okay, so I'm getting there packing my bathroom, but I keep getting distracted. Whoa, this is blue. Yeah, I'm just getting so distracted by everything. But one thing I'm happy to have done was just cleared this room and cleared some space on my desk so I can do some work tomorrow. I do think I'm going to find it very difficult to concentrate surrounded by all this like mess, but I am going to try and do as much work as I can this week. Obviously I won't be able to make any content or film like actual nice videos, but I've cleared room on the floor, cleared some room on my desk, and I've kind of just started packing boxes in the corner. As I said, this is just a huge pile of boxes that I've been saving from parcels to like, yeah, help pack. I'm going to be getting rid of this unit here, but keeping my mirror obviously. I'm also going to be getting rid of one of these as well, so that is something I'm going to have to do this week. This is a huge pile of stuff that I'm going to eBay. I've got some old cameras, some of them work, some of them don't, but I guess I could sell them for parts. Need to sort this rail out, which is so messy. But I don't think I'm doing too bad. The next job on my list is to sort through all my medicines, because I've got 3 different medicine boxes, 3 boxes full of drugs, and yeah, I don't need them in 3 different places. So I'm gonna watch Bake Off, Celeb Stand Up to Cancer Bake Off, and sort through all my boxes. So I currently have, I'm going to get rid of this unit because I've had it for ages and it's a bit gross. But I've got like a medicine box up here, a medicine box in here. Oh my god, that's got sweets in. Sweets and medicine. And then this is my old medicine box. So yeah, I need to go through. I've also got some like face masks and like, yeah, oh I love this little sleeping mask. We have recently started watching Dead Pixels on channel 4OD, which is great. I've been enjoying it. Good. It reminds me of meeting you. Just loving computer games. It's like fresh meat for computer games is how my parents described it to us, because they've been watching it. And now we're gonna make some dinner. I am gonna make mackerel on toast. What are you having? G's having beans on toast, but he had a question for you. Ask the question.
No, I'm shy. God. Can't do it.
The question was, what can you put in his beans to make it watch?
I did not ask that question to the world.
No.
I didn't ask that question to anyone who watches YouTube. I asked that question to you and Google. Some things need to remain private.
Oh my my god, I am feeling doolally. No, but it's a great question. What can you add to pimp up beans on toast? My recommendations were cheese, obviously, sriracha, obviously, Worcester sauce, and then I found a recipe which had parsley and onion in it.
Poached egg.
Poached egg, but then like proper beans with like mixed beans. Make your own beans.
Not Heinz beans.
We might have one with the sausages in.
What, like a full English breakfast?
No,
beans?
like the beans with the sausages in. Those sausages are great. You could chop up little bits of chorizo or bacon and put it in the beans.
Got any bacon?
But we don't have any of that. Cream cheese, make it creamy beans.
That'd be grim. Creamy beans.
I wish I could have beans on toast so bad. I'm so over.
I've got avocado, but then that'll go with beans on toast.
Yeah, it will.
No.
I don't know why I'm still vlogging. Here we go. Worcester sauce beans with some cheese, and I've got burnt mackerel on toast. That looks so gross. I'm gonna cover it in lemon juice because it's so nice.
Cheers, babe.
Cheers. Hey guys, it is Monday. I am in such a good mood today. I don't really know why, because I feel like I should be super stressed. We haven't heard any news back from our solicitors about whether or not we're moving this week. I spent all last week stressing about it, and at the weekend I just had this thing where my brain just switched and I was like, I have no control over this. Why am I worrying about it? Like, just gonna get on with my life, and if it happens, great. If it doesn't, then hopefully it will happen the week after. But yeah, I've been really positive and inspired with work. I've done some editing. I have some good ideas for blog posts that I want to write this week. This week, work-wise for me, is all going to be about like, yeah, just editing and writing content rather than photographing content, if that makes sense. I think my good mood is also because the weather today is so glorious. As you can see, I've had to like shut the blinds for the first time in this room since we moved in, I think. It's just so sunny. Oh, I've got a cat hair in my mouth all the time. I'm gonna open this window actually. It's so sunny. Some fresh air in. It is 3:30, I think. I'm gonna do some more packing and sorting. I do want to get into writing, but I'm gonna just do that tomorrow. I think today I'm gonna pack this up. Normally with these drawers, I take the drawers out one by one. I bubble wrap them and cling film them so I don't have to like pack and unpack them. But with these ones, because they're a little bit shallower, I'm just going to pack them up because it won't take me too long. This looks like a mess, but it is very much organised. I've got nail stuff in this drawer. I've got sunglasses in that drawer. Hairbands and hair stuff and some jewellery in that drawer. This is a mess actually, I could clean. And then we get into products. I do need to sort these drawers out, so I'm thinking, yeah, I'll do that today. Oh dear. What are you trying to do? You're trying to get to the plant. Okay, this drawer is full of sunglasses. I definitely don't need all of these, so I'm actually going to declutter them before I pack them. I was initially just going to pack all of them, but nah. Nah, I don't want to bring all these with me. Put you there, get a mirror out, and try all of these on. Wait, here's the dead child surprise. So these are the ones I'm keeping. I've literally got 2 pairs of like fake glasses for fancy dress. and the rest, I'm just, glasses do not suit me, hats suit me, sunglasses don't. So I've got a couple of fun ones in there, but I'm getting rid of the majority. I'm getting rid of loads of kind of these ones, firstly because I don't think they're as in anymore, and secondly because they get scuffed up so easily. Even though I keep them in a bag like when out and about, and then in a box at home, they do still get scuffed. So yeah, I've got a couple of cases for them. And I've also got some like badges in here, got some Murderino ones, so I'm definitely going to keep those. And I need to like pin them on a denim jacket or something. Running a little bath now. I'm using these two Epsom salts. Oh, my makeup is smudged from my bath, but cooked dinner. We've got one of my favourite like ready meals. I say ready meal, it's just, yeah, some meat that you chuck in the oven. Slow cooked Memphis ribs from Waitrose. They're so good, and they're low FODMAP. And I have the most childish accompaniments. Potato waffles, and also some Roshdies, but they've got onion in, and technically I'm not allowed onion right now, but I'm gonna eat them because they're so delicious. And also a little bowl of salad with some tomatoes and olives in. That is my dinner. You're so weird.
Just doing that more and more at the moment.
What are you doing? I can brush it for you, Maurice. You're gonna fall off. Got a huge bowl of fruit salad for dessert. Isn't that nice? Hey guys, I just wanted to pop on here and say thanks for watching, and I am so excited for this next chapter of our lives and to share it with you guys. The past couple of days have been super stressful. We were supposed to be getting the keys in 2 days time, this Friday, but we haven't even exchanged yet. It's such a ball ache. There's I can't even talk about it or think about it because it's so stressful. I'm hoping we'll be moving next week, but I think it will be after Easter. I've just got a gut feeling that this is going to keep getting delayed because of people up in the chain. There's four people in the chain. I think something's happening with the ones at the top. But yeah, last night we tried to kind of clear some space in this room, so we've still got kind of somewhere relaxing to chill. Yeah, it's super stressful, but I just really don't want to be living surrounded by boxes for the next couple of weeks. But yeah, anyway, I hope you've enjoyed this vlog. I've got some other video content coming up after this. I've got Marie Kondoing my sex toys video coming up, a fridge tour of my round fridge. I've got my low FODMAP part 1 vlog going up for the whole like first 6 weeks of being low FODMAP. I've got a cake baking video coming up for you guys, and yeah, after that it will be the house content because hopefully by then we will be in. But yeah, stay tuned. I love you guys lots.